Apply gel evenly. 40K cavitation, clear channels and refine body contours. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. 40K, 20J/cm superscript 2. Glide the handle in small circular motions around the navel area. Glide the handle in big circular motions around the navel area. Move the handle up and down on the waist. Lift the belt vessel on both sides. Lift the belt vessel on both sides with the handle and your hand. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply essential oil. Body handle 1, body sculpting. Settings. Vacuum, 3S. Level, 3. Time, 15 minutes. Rev, 18 revolutions per minute. RF, 25J/cm superscript 2. Scrolling directions, outwears. Laser energy, 12W. Also make adjustments through the buttons on the controller. Move the handle up and down on the abdomen. Glide the handle in big circular motions around the navel area. Lift the belt vessel on both sides. Wipe the treatment area with a towel,